Hello, curious people of the cosmos. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most dazzling phenomena in the sky, the solar eclipse. Do you know why they happened, and how can you observe them safely? Get ready as we dive into the science behind solar eclipses and understand exactly how and why they happen. Let's go! Solar eclipses are celestial events where the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, casting a shadow on the Earth. There are three main types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. In a total eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun, creating a brief period of darkness in the middle of the day. During a partial eclipse, only part of the sun is obscured by the moon. In an annular eclipse, the moon, being further from Earth in its orbit, does not completely cover the sun, leaving a bright ring of light around its silhouette. Solar eclipses occur due to a precise set of conditions. Firstly, the moon's orbit around the Earth and the Earth's orbit around the sun must align perfectly, which is not as often as one might think. The inclination of the moon's orbit relative to the ecliptic, the plane of the Earth's orbit, must coincide with the sun's position in the sky. This only happens during lunations, in which the moon passes through its nodes, the points where the lunar orbit crosses the ecliptic. To understand this better, we need to consider the moon's elliptical orbit. Sometimes it is closer to the Earth perigee, and sometimes it is further away apogee. This variation affects the apparent size of the moon as seen from Earth. When the moon is at perigee during an eclipse, it can completely cover the sun, resulting in a total eclipse. At apogee, the moon appears smaller, resulting in an annular eclipse, where the famous ring of fire forms around the moon. Although the sun is about 400 times bigger than the moon, it is also about 400 times further from the Earth than the moon. This incredible coincidence of proportions means that the sun and moon appear to be almost the same size in the sky, a fact that contributes to the spectacular nature of solar eclipses. During an eclipse, two shadows are cast over the Earth: the umbra, where the sun's light is completely blocked by the moon, and the penumbra, where only part of the sun is obscured. The difference in observing a total, partial, or annular eclipse depends on which of these shadows you are in. Although solar eclipses may seem like magical events, they are predictable and occur due to the natural cycles of celestial bodies. The frequency of solar eclipses varies, with at least 2 and a maximum of 5 solar eclipses occurring each year. Each eclipse is part of a larger cycle called Saros, which repeats approximately every 18 years. This cycle is important for scientists because it allows them to predict when and where eclipses will occur. Understanding solar eclipses is crucial not only for science, but also for human history. Remarkable eclipses have been used to record historical dates, explore and understand our atmosphere, and even to confirm fundamental theories of physics, such as Einstein's theory of general relativity during the 1919 eclipse. Observing a solar eclipse is a unique experience, but it requires precautions to ensure safety. Never look directly at the sun without special protection during an eclipse, except during the very brief totality of a total eclipse, when the sun is completely covered by the moon. For safe observation, you should use special eclipse glasses or projection devices. Equipment such as telescopes with special solar filters can also be used for a more detailed view of the eclipse. In addition, solar photography techniques can allow enthusiasts and scientists to capture impressive details of the events, such as the prominent solar flares or the solar corona, which is only visible during a total eclipse. And there you have it. Now you know more about the fascinating science behind solar eclipses and how to observe them safely. I hope you're as excited as I am for the next solar eclipse. Don't forget to prepare in advance, wear the right protection, and, of course, enjoy this natural spectacle. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more scientific adventures. See you next time.